Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the Skims Swarovski collaboration Jelly Sheer Cami Long Dress in the color Sienna. First, before we dive in, if you're interested in this collaboration as a whole, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel where we do unbox a few other Skims Swarovski items. As I mentioned, this is the Sienna color, which is the nude color with kind of light brown rhinestones. There's also a black version that we did unbox, as well as a brown version that we have not yet unboxed. But if you are interested in that, let us know in the comments below. Now, this Sienna color was the first to sell out in every style that it was available. This was really the one that went super viral, and it might be because it is the one that Kim K herself modeled. Of course, this is the signature Skims dress that Kim K is notorious for wearing, and it has gotten a lot of hype without the rhinestone, so it is a staple piece for the collection. Of course, it is the dress that Kim K has gone viral for, or the brand in general has gone viral for, and with the Swarovskis, it makes it that much more embellished and, just a step up. So again, this dress is in the jelly sheer material, which is very light compression. I will say that when I first bought this, I thought it was going to be a heavier compression because I do know it is, meant to give a very svelte figure. I don't think that I had that first impression once I put it on, and we'll put it on towards the end of this video. That is to say that this dress does show all of your curves. So if that's what you're looking for, then it is a great item. But if you want it to be a little bit looser, I do recommend sizing up. I did try the extra small as well as the small. This item is the small, and the small felt just a little bit more forgiving and a little bit more comfortable to move around in. One thing I will note as we are walking through the item is that there are very strategic placements of crystals. So you'll see that they're more concentrated towards the top of the item and they dissipate towards the bottom. And of course, you do have the bottom up. It's kind of halfway from the bottom zip. So you can make it either a column dress or give a little opening. It's definitely a little bit easier to walk in if you do have the opening. Again, just taking a look at the front as well as the sides of the crystals. Note that there are no crystals on the side seam as well as the back spinal cord area. So I do think that's strategic for the underarm, so it's not, chafing your underarms, but I'm not entirely sure why it was decided to do that for the back. I do wish that it was kind of filled in a little bit more. So getting a first glimpse of this on, you can see it does kind of blend in with my skin tone. So in many cases with the standard item without the Swarovskis, you could wear this as, an underslip that you just want to disappear. Of course, with the Swarovskis, it will be a little difficult to use this as an undergarment because you will see the outline of those gems. In any case, let us know what you think of this item in the comments below. Do you have it? Do you want it? Do you love it? And of course, be sure to subscribe.